Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable the password reveal button in Windows 10. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand Windows Components. Click and expand Credential User Interface. Open Do Not Display the Password Reveal button. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.